Alden with short update. Yung 4 lights camera run, pan run in MOA. At tumakbo pa si Alden na 16 km. Grabe nga yun. Ayun, naniyakap pa nga ni Alden. Mga boses ng GMA, si Miss Annette at si Joy.
Yan to everyone po. Happy Mother's Day. God bless you guys.
Happy Mother's Day sa mga nanay. Kabati ni Alden. Ayun si Alden, oh. Ayun dyan yung mga fans ni Alden. Sa picture daw. Grabe yung close-up ng camera.
What's up guys? Pagpagod na ba ang lahat? Hindi, joke lang. Wow guys, thank you so much. Wow, dami natin.
Speech niya.
Very speechless ako ngayon. But, syempre, first of all, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nakitakbo para sa pelikulang Pilipino. Di ba, Sean? Di ba, Sean the Sheep? So guys, maraming salamat po. And of course, to everyone who participated, to all the sponsors, most especially video, sa mga taga-video, meron tayong 438 runners from video right now. Mabuhay kayo guys. Of course, special thanks to Miss Cora Malilin at Miss Cora's here. Miss Cora, I love you so much. Maraming salamat po. And sa lahat po ng mga celebrity friends po natin na nandito ngayon, thank you so much for being here, for participating. Ito si Martin Palong-Palo kanina, parang second podium mark ka ba sa 16K? Second place ka ba? Huwag kang pa-humble. Kita kita eh. But anyway, sobrang grateful lang po kaming lahat, most especially sa Myriad Entertainment Corporation, of course sa MOA Watch, and definitely, of course, our partner organizers, sa Green Media Race Management, for everyone's participation today. We're just very happy with the outcome. There are hurdles here and there. This is our first time. Actually, this is the first time of my company to mount a fun run, but I think this will definitely be not the last. So, marami pa kayong fun run na asahan sa amin.
Yun, oh. Ito, pagdala na si Alden, oh. At kinamayan niya ng akban.
10K, 5K, and 3K. On the way pa lang po yung natin, finisher medal. So if not, pag umabot siya, mabibigay po namin siya today sa inyong lahat in person or kiss na lang. Yan, so, but anyway, kidding aside, pag umabot po siya, mabibigay po namin siya on the day after nating
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is with your reaction vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.